Whole 9 yards. You talking about it? The pallet in the back goes with it. All of it. One pack. One package deal right here, 30 inch. Hey, how much? What are going to be in here? £50 dollar. It's £50 dollar. 50, 50, £30 dollar. 30, 30, 20. Let's go. £20 dollar. It's £20 dollar. 20 now 5. And 20 looking at £5 dollar. It's 20 looking at 5. It's 20 to 5 pounds now 30. 30, 30 to 5, 40. Now 40, 5, 45, 50, 46, 7, $47 47, 46 here, 7, and 46 here, 7, 7, 7, 46 here, 7, and 46 here, 7, and 46 here, 7, 7, 7, $47, 46 here now, 7, we're going to get $47, 47 down, 46 here, 7, 7 now, 8, $48, we're going to get 48, 48 to 9, 9, 9, 49, $49, and 48 to 9, I'm at 49, now 49 to 50, 48 to 9, 9, 9, 49, 49, 50, little $50, 50, little $50, 50 now, 1, 51, 51, 51, 1, 1, 1, 1, 51, and 50, look at them, $1 50 here, look at them, 1, 50 now, 1, $1 51, now 2, 51 here, now 2, we're going to get $52, 51, we're going to get 52, $52, 51 here, now 2, if you spend a little bit more than you're playing, the quality you get more than makes up for it. 52 now, 3, 52 now, 3, 52 here, now 3, 52 now, 3, 3, 3, 53 down, and 52 now, 3, but 3 now, 4, 54 pound, 54, 54, 54, 54, 54 pound, 54, you like it better when you get it hooked behind the traffic, 54, 53, 4, 53, look at the 54 down, 53, look at the 54 down, 53, look at the 54 down, y'all done, 54,000, $53,000. $65 down, $65, $75, $75 down, $75, $75 down, $75, $85, $85, $85, $85 down, $85, $85 down, $85, $75, $85, $75, $85 down, $75, $85, $85 down, $85, $85 down, $85, $75, $85 down, $75, $85, $85 down, $75, $85 to 95, 95, 95, 95, 95, 95, 90 now, 5, 90 to 5, 5 to 95, 95 down, 95, 95 to 95, 5, 95, 95 to 95. 95, where you go for 95? $100 down, $105, $105, $105, $105 down, $105, $105, $105, $105 down, $105, $105, $105, $105 down, $105, $105, 10, 10, $110, $15 down, $115, $110, look at $15 down, $110, $15, $15, only 1,300 separators out, $110, $15, $115, $110, $15, you get $115, I'm $110 here, gotta go $15, $115 down, $115, four-wheel drive, $115 down, where you gonna find another one like it now, $115, $115, $110, look at $115 down, $110, look at $115 down, $115, $110, look at the 15, look at $115 down, you give $115, $115, how much? 11, 12, 111, 12, 13, 13, number 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 115 down, 16, look at 16, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17, you know it's a good machine, 117, 16, 17, 16, 17, 16, look at 17 down, and 16, 17, look at 117, 17, one time, 118, 18, 19, 119 down, 119, and 20, and 20, and 1, 1, 1, 21, 121, 122 to 1, 20 to 1, 21 down, 2, now, 1, it's 120, 121, 120 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 21 down, 121, 121, 121, 121, 121. It's a good machine. 21 now 2, 22, 3, 3, 3, 22 now 3, 23 down, 123, 122 now 3, 122, 122 down, 122 now 3, 123. Anybody will give $123,000 bet? Total call for $122,000. He knows the machine when he sees a good one. 20. I guarantee that the crank do everything you want it to do. There it is, Delta 4730. Hey, how many dollars here? What are going to be here? $150,000. We're going to give $150,000 in the 150, 150 for $100,000 in the more, $100,000 in the more, we're going to give $100,000 in the more, $100,000, $100,000 in the more, $100,000. All right, the rabbit's jumped. 80,000, 90,000, 80 and 90,000. It's online at 80. Look at the $90,000, 80. We're going to give $90,000 in the 80 and the 90. We're going to give 90, 90, 90. You got how much? 85, 90, 85 to 90, 85, we give 90 pounds up in the 85 and the 90, 85 to 90, we give 90 pounds out of 85 to 90, we give 90, we give 90, Mr. Man, you look good in it, 90 pounds out of 90 pounds out of 85 to 90 pounds out of 90 to 5, 90 to 5, 5 to 95, 90, look at the pound, 100 pounds out of the more 100, we give 100 pounds out of the more, we give 100 pounds out of 95, we give 100, 95, look at 100, 95, we give 100, look at 100 pounds out of 95, look at 100, 95 here, look at 100 pounds out of 95, look at 100, how much? 90. 7 and a half. 100,000, 102 and a half, 102 and a half, 102 and a half, 100,000, 2 and a half, 5, 105,000, 105, 105, 102 and a half. 102.5 now, 5, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 5, 5, 102.5 in the 5, I'm 102.5 in the 5, Chad, where you back at 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 5, 5, 102.5, John, you want some at 105, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 5, 5, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 5, 5, Matthew, you done, 105, 105, 105, 105, 105, it's a good clean spraying right here, as clean as you'll ever see, right here, 105, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 102.5 in the 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 102.5 in the 5, 5, 102.5, look at 105, 3, 4, 104, 104 pound dollar, 103, 4, 103 now 4, 103, but 104 pound dollar, 103, but 104, 103, but 4, 4, 104, 104 pound dollar, 103 now 4, but 104 pound dollar, 104, 104 pound dollar, 103 now 4, 103 now 4, 104 pound dollar, 104, 104 pound dollar, 104, 104 pound dollar, 104, 104 pound dollar, 104, 104 pound dollar, 103 now 4, 104 pound dollar, 104, where you gonna find another one as clean as this one, 103, 4, 104 pound dollar, 104 pound dollar, 104 pound dollar bill, you'll give 104, 104 pound dollar, 104, 5, 105 pound dollar, 104, 5, 105 pound dollar, 104, here now 5, 105 pound dollar, 105, 105 pound dollar, 105, 104, 5, anybody give 105, y'all done, 105 pound dollar, 105 pound dollar, 104, here now 5, 105, 105 pound dollar, 105, 105, 105, 105, he said no, and I sold it to him for $104,000. 100 and a quarter, you give 100 and a quarter, half, 100 and a quarter and a half, 100 and a half, 100 and a quarter, give half, 30, 40, 140, 140, 140, 50, 140, 50, 140 now, 50, 140, 50, 150, 140 now, 50, I'm 140, look at 150 down, 140, look at 150, look at 150 now, 60, 160, 160 pound, 160, 160 pound, 160, 160 pound, 160, 160 pound, and the only people that sat in it was him and Jamin. 50 pounds, not no more, you gotta go 60, 160 pounds now, 160 now, 5, 165, 165, 5, 165, 165, 160 now, 5, 160 now, 5, 165, 165, 165, 160 now, 5, I'll see you, 160, look at 165, 160 now, 5, 160 now, 5, 165, 165, 165, 165, you don't find these every day, you'll ride the country over. Yep, 3 down. You know what? Every time I crank mine up, it's an emissions thing going on. You know, this one you ain't got to worry about it. 160 now, 5. 160 now, 5. 165 pound, 165, 5, 165. 2 and a half now, 5. 162 and a half. 165, 167 and a half. 167 and a half. 167 and a half. 167 and a half. 165 now, 7 and a half. 167 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 and a half. It's worth the money now, 167 and a half, 167 and a half, 167 and a half, I'm 165 over here, looking at 167 and a half, 167 and a half, 167 and a half, hey, what's the price of a new one like that? 167 and a half, 167 and a half, 167 and a half, y'all done, 167 and a half, 167 and a half, 6, 7, 767, 167, 168, 88, 168 pound, 168, 168, 168, hey, 167, 8, 167, 8, 168 pound, 168, y'all done, 168, 168, so it's all for 167,000. 320 down man, how much? We're going to be hitting a 65 pound out of man, 65, bring it 50 pound out of it, move 50, 50 pound out of it, move 50, 50 pound out of it, move 50, 50, get 25, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40, 35, bring it 45, 40, 5, 40, 5, 45, 40 now, 5, 40, 5, pound out of it, 40, hit it 5, hit 40, look at the 5, pound, 40, here now, 5, 140, look at the 45 pound out of it, 40, hit it 5, hit 40, I like, what you got, 45, 40, what'd you get? 45, 50, 45, 50, 45, here, look at the 50. Hit 45, look at the 50, you look at 50, look at the 50 pound dollar. Hit 45, here, look at the 50, look at the 50 pound dollar. What do you think, Robert? 50, look at 45, look at the 50, 50 pound dollar. Hit 45, look at the 50, I'm at 45, look at the 50, you look at 50 pound dollar, look at 50, look at 50. You don't find these every day now. 50 pound dollar, I'm at 45, look at the 50. You got 50? 45, look at the 50. 46, 7, 47 pound dollar, 47, look at 47 pound dollar, 47, 8, look at 8 pound dollar, 48 pound dollar, 48, 47, look at 48 pound dollar, $47, $48,000, $48, $48,000, $47, $88, $48,000, $47, $48,000, $48, $47, $48,000, $47, $48,000, $48, $48,000, $47, $48,000, $47, $48,000, $48, anybody get 48, 47, y'all look at the nice structure right here. Low house, 47,000, look at 48,000, you get 48, 9, 49, look at 49,000, 48, look at 49, 49,000, look at 49, now 50,000, look at 50, I'm at 49, look at the 50, at 49, look at the 50, at 49, look at the 50, you can travel the country over, you ain't gonna find no clean enough for 49, now 50, I'm at 49, but on $50,000, at 49, now 50, look at $50,000, at 49, now 50, look at $50,000, 50, look at $50,000 bed, 50,000, y'all done, $50,000 bed. Those come for $49,000 going to Nashville.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineryPete.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineryPete.com.